I know there's many of you who have been asking where I'm from. Born in Cameroon, grown up maturely in South Africa. I studied in Douala, and then I end my study in Yaoundé, whereby I finally moved to South Africa. South Africa is actually my country of adoption. I was born in the village called Batie in Cameroon. I actually like to call myself a citizen of Africa. Today is actually the 18th December. 18 December. Thank you to God, thank you to my mother, thank you to my father, because without my mother and my father, I wouldn't be alive. And thank you to God, who actually helped my mother and my father to have this blessing day of 18 December. Just like everybody celebrating the birthday, I'm going to celebrate today my birthday. And then I'm celebrating this one from Brazil in Sao Paulo. Help me celebrate this day. Help me appreciate this day. Help me say thank you to God. Help me say thank you to my parents who actually took 9 months to wait for this day. I use this opportunity of this 18 December, guys, to say thank you very much, because without you guys, we wouldn't be in this place. We're gonna have a walk around this suburb together. Today, I will say thank you to God who actually brought my parents in this world, and thank you to my parents who actually used this opportunity to bring me in this world. It's actually a privilege to realize that year after years, we are still alive, guys. So please help me celebrate this day of 18 December. Help me say thank you to God and thank you to my parents. Help me say thank you to those who actually contribute for me to be alive today. It's doing, guys. You got a lot of place of doing whatever you can do here. Guys, it's actually, this is my birthday on the 18th of December. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow. It's so beautiful to know that I have reached this day. It's so beautiful to know that I have reached this day, guys. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. In this channel, we talk about the entrepreneurship. We talk about lifestyle, Brazilian lifestyle. Sport is like a tradition in this country, guys. You know, sport is just like a tradition in this country. You know, guys, football, you know, this is the country of football, the country of Pele, you know. Yeah, you have to come here and chill, you know? It's good. Anyway, we come. You can see how they are washing the road. That truck passing there is washing the road. You know, they are washing the road. Oh God, you know. Yes, guys, like I just said to you, that it's very important to walk around so that you can know what is going around. Barbaria. Bom dia. No falar português. Quanto? 30 reais. Basically, to cut your hair, guys, you need more than 50 real to cut your hair. And then if you spend more than 50 rand to cut your hair, you are spending more than 150 rand to cut your hair. If you're a barber person, yeah, you can make a hell of money, guys. I'm telling you, hell of money. Ah! Jesus. Just to cut the hair. Bro, in Joburg, I can cut my hair for 10 rand, guys. Yeah, I have to spend 150 rand. What? 150 rand. Ah, this is terrible, eh? Okay. But there's something I realized in this country is that all the roads are tied. You find a tie road in each suburb. Each suburb, I'm telling you. Even the small road like this is still tied. Yeah, and yeah. Hey, you see this uncle is waking, he's fixing. You see the way he's fixing this place, you can see. Fixing it with the cement. Wow!
Isso aqui que abriu o furo, né?
Groove.
É.
Fixing it
Agora
nice.
acaba limpa, entendeu? Porque tem uns que ele deixa unido. Se deixar unido, tá vendo? Igual aquele lá, não dá pra... Quebra e estraga tudo.
Cool. Guys, you can see the maintenance. The maintenance of this place. Uncle is doing it. You see, he's using the cement. See? He used the cement actually to fix this place. Otherwise, this stone gonna come out. You see?
Ah, é?
Wow. Wow.
Desculpa a pergunta, você não é brasileiro, não?
Brazil is good, guys. You must come to Brazil. You know, they are very kind. They are respectful. You know, I see the way they maintain the environment. Oh.
Eu trabalhei com francês.
Francês. Bonjour, bonjour, comment ça va?
Ah, eu pensei.
Comment ça va? Ça va bien? Tudo bem? Ça va bien.
Agora a língua japonesa eu não sei de nada, não.
Japão.
É, Japão.
Ok.
Ali, aqui nessa rua mora um japonês ali.
É.
Ele falou assim, que se eu quiser ir pro Japão, ele ensina logo eu ir pra lá, né?
Wow. You know, that's why it's beautiful. It's actually beautiful to know how to speak the language. And the kindness of these people, I don't know. It doesn't have a
Vai
limit.
trabalhar em outro país.
Paris.
Não, veja bem, nós do Brasil sair para trabalhar, tem que trabalhar com uma pessoa que entende a língua de lá, né? Porque senão...
Oh, obrigado.
Fica uma confusão, né? É.
Bye.
Falou.
Wow. You know, the kindness of these people doesn't have a limit, guys. You know, you are just welcome. You are just welcome. You know, I'm getting lost. I'm walking on the street. You know, I don't even thinking about something could happen to me, guys. Just the fact that I got that feeling that I'm just like their brother. I walk everywhere. Guys, if you don't know, today is my birthday, 18th of December. 18th of December, today is my birthday, guys. Wish me happy birthday. Send me a comment below, please. Please, guys, just give me a word. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I'm not asking for more than that. Just give me that word of happy birthday, guys. Thank you very much. Please like the video, share the video, and give me that word of happy birthday. You know, even though I don't know how to speak the language, Brazilian will always show you how kind it is, how good it is, even though you don't speak the language. That is another thing I have noticed, and then I'm so proud of seeing this happening, guys. Wow. So proud. So proud. See, this is the bus you can take to go to town. This bus, if you want to go to town, you use this bus. It's a Mercedes brand. You took this one, you go to town. All the roads are ties, guys. All the roads are ties. I was getting lost since. I did not even know where I was. But at the moment now, I know where I am. So the dog shop, which I used to go, is somewhere up there. So let's follow the road, and then we'll go to the store. just somewhere there. We'll go to the store and then I can buy something for the breakfast. Guys, yeah, we're going to see the price of things we shall be buying now and compare with Rand. Guys, that's what I'm saying. If you're coming here, make sure you really have something in your pocket, because otherwise the lifestyle, yeah, it's not the same, guys. It's not actually the same. I will say that the life is expensive in Brazil, more than Joburg, guys. The cost of living is not that easy. So I'm buying here. This is where I'm gonna go. Like, you know, this is 7 real. 7 real, that means it's about 22 rand. This is about 22 rand. Since I arrived here, I like this juice, guys. I like this. It's about 22 rand. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. In this country, even the street kid doesn't drink water from the tap. So you have to buy water. You have to buy water. So I'm going to buy water. Almost every day I have to buy drinking water. Drinking water, I need to buy it almost every day. The noodle is about 3 real. 3 real 25. That means it's about 13 rand. You know, noodle in South Africa is about 5 rand. This one is about 13 rand, guys, for one noodle like this. 13 rand. So remember, just a noodle, 13 rand each. 13 rand each, one noodle. Okay, I'm gonna take, for now, I'm gonna take 4 of noodle. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is 10 eggs. This 10 eggs is costing 13 rand. Guys, this is about 20 30. This is about 35 rand for 10 eggs. About 35 rand. 35 rand for 10 eggs. Yeah, that is the price. And yeah, I have seen this kind of eggs, guys. Look at this eggs. This egg is completely white. I don't know what kind of chicken produces this kind of eggs. You know, I really don't know. Do you have this kind of eggs in your country, guys?
Como mais lá? Hey,
10. Yeah. Wow. So guys, I'm buying the bread. This is the way the bread is. I'm gonna be buying 10 bread here. All right. Obrigado. Bom dia. Yeah, I get in my noodle, guys. I get in the noodle, as you can see. And then the water, which is very important. I said to you that they don't drink the water from the tap. So your drinking water, you always purchase it. That's what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to be paying, I don't know how much is it now, 40. Guys, I give her 50 real and then it's 47 real. So she's gonna be giving me some change. Obrigado. Guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, today is my birthday, 18 December. Okay, celebrate with me. If you just come across of this channel now, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm actually vlogging from Brazil in São Paulo. From Brazil in São Paulo. Guys, this is the place I call home here. This is the place I call home. So actually I live here on this building, as you can see. What I like here is the security. The security of the building is actually I'm going to do this and then we open. Yeah. And then here also you have to be seen on the camera, and then I open again and then open. Bon dia. Alright. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, guys. Yeah. Happy birthday to me. Say happy birthday to Fokou Media. That would be very lovely to hear from you that you wish me happy birthday, guys. Wish me happy birthday. Now I'm going home. This is where I call home, guys. This is where I call home now. For now. Yeah. Guys, let me see you on my next video. Okay? Thank you.